Good morning, बच्चों. Today I am going to tell you Section E, Chapter 17, Human Skeleton System and Joints. Human body is built around a framework as bones called the skeleton. Those bones not only stiffen the body and give the animals its definite and characteristic shape, but they also help in movement, for most of the muscles are attached to them. The skeleton is made up of two main parts. The central parts consist the vertebral column, the skull, the ribs, and their cartilage. The marginal or peripheral part is made up of extremes or limbs. The skeleton serves four main purposes in the human body. मेन क्या काम है स्केलेटन सिस्टम का हमारी बॉडी में? जैसा कि बच्चों आपने पहले भी स्केलेटन सिस्टम कंकाल तंत्र के बारे में पढ़ा है कि ये एक हड्डी का ढांचा है, जैसे हम स्केलेटन कहते हैं. और इसका क्या यूज़ है, पर्पज़ क्या है इसका होने का? फर्स्टली, it provides support to soft part and provide the body definite shape. Secondly, it provides special protection to important structure and again the body, the skull and the vertebral column. For example, protect the brain in the spinal cord, ribs and breast bone form a bony framework for the protection of the heart and lungs. The pelvic girdle bone protects the urinary bladder and the female sex organs. Thirdly, the skeleton forms of the attachment for the muscles, so the movement may take place at joints. Fourthly, it is the bone marrow wherein various types of bone cells are formed. The bones of living animals themselves alive be supplied with blood vessels and nerves. They grow like the other softer part of the body. In a very young animal, they are the soft and flexible, but later become brittle and hard. चीफ एक्टिविटी ऑफ फंक्शन ऑफ बोन्स. हमारे शरीर में हड्डियों का मेन कार्य क्या है, फंक्शन क्या है? द इम्पोर्टेंट फंक्शन टू प्रोवाइड शेप टू द ह्यूमन बॉडी. शरीर को एक आकार देता है. इट प्रोवाइड सॉलिडिटी टू द बॉडी. बॉडी को एक सॉलिड प्रोवाइड करता है. टू मेक बॉडी इलास्टिक. Sometimes the bones seen no flexible wonders at it has no bone in his body. Number 4, to provide safety to tender organs. Number 5, to make the muscles active. Number 6, to manufacture RBCs and WBCs. Mostly the bones are hollow from inside. This hollow place is found in kind pulp, which is called bone marrow, and RBC and WBC are prepared in this bone marrow. Number 7, to act as lever. Bones work as lever in lifting heavy articles. शेप एंड नंबर ऑफ द बोन्स. किन किन आकार में होते हैं और कितनी हड्डियाँ हमारी बॉडी में होती हैं? देयर आर 206 बोन्स in our body, which are small, big, long, round, flat and irregular shapes according to their function and organs protected by them. The bones of the rest of is around the leg and hand are long and big. Of the fingers are thin and small. जैसा कि बच्चों सभी लोग आप लोगों को पहले ही पता है कि कलाई की हड्डियाँ राउंड शेप होती है, पैर की हड्डियाँ लंबी होती हैं, बड़ी होती हैं, etc. The bones of thigh and legs are comparatively thicker to maintaining the balance and weight of the body. Kinds of bones found in human skeleton. Number 1, the kinds of bones are as follows. Hard bones. In common language they are called bones. They seem hard to. They are the only base of the big parts of the body. These are comparatively strong, hard and easily breakable. With the chemical point of view, there are found mineral salt in them. 1/3 part organic and 2/3 part calcium and phosphorus. Number 2, cartilage, soft bones, जिसे soft bones कहते हैं. हार्ड बोन ये हार्ड होती हैं. It is called subbones of soft. These are very elastic. They have much efficiency of tolerate the heart of tension. A great part of children bone is made up of cartilage. ज़्यादा बच्चों की जो हड्डियाँ होती हैं वो कार्टिलेज की बनी होती हैं जो बहुत सॉफ्ट होती है. They do not break easily. वो जल्दी टूटती नहीं है. Cartilage is also made of mineral salt and organic stiff like bones, but the quantity phosphorus and calcium is found is less in it. Use of cartilage in human body. The use of cartilage in human body are as follows. In between two bones, there is a layer of cartilage which avoid bones are rubbed irregular. Number two, while working the bones with the help of cartilage, they have sufficient efficiency to tolerate tension. They flexible save them from outside heart. Quantity number of bones in human body here given in some bones where it is found and how many bones. Skulls, cranium 8, on face 14 total. In our skull 22 bones, chest 24, lower jaw 1, in ear 6, in the backbone in the first 3 part 24, in fourth and fifth part 26. In both the legs दोनों पैरों में 64, in both the hands 62, total 26. Total bones in the body 206. Main parts of human skeleton. A skeleton is divided into 3 main parts as follows: skull, chest, upper and lower limbs. Bones in skull. Skull is most upper part of the body which is made up of 22 bones. It can be divided into 2 parts: head or cranium, frontal bone, parietal bone. Number 2, parietal bone or occipital bones. Number 3. Number 4, temporal bone, sphenoid bone, is the ethmoid bone. Number 2, face bone. The lower part of cranium is forehead. The called face. It is contains nose, eyes, and mouth. Upper jaw. It is found in the upper part of the mouth. It contains many cavities in which the eyes, nose, ears are kept safe. One part of it found lower jaw. It is bone of lower jaw. It is strong and long bone of the face. Its shape horse with navels, muscle bones. It makes the bridge of the meeting together in middle of both eyes. Palate bone, vomer bone, lacrinic bone, cheekbone, spongy bone. The part of body, the neck of thighs is called trunk. There is a big muscle in middle of the trunk which is called diaphragm. It divides trunk into 2 parts: thorax and abdomen. Thorax, the chest bones, ribs and vertebral column together make such as the heart and lungs are quite safe. Thorax consists of following parts: sternum, the upper of the wide part, the middle part of sternum. Number 3, the lower part of sternum. Number 2, collarbones. At the side of the upper part of the sternum, there is a collarbone 15 and 16 centimeter long. It can connect at 2 places in the middle. It is also joined with the sternum at one side of the shoulder. Collar ribs. They are 24 in numbers, 12 are right side, or 12 in left side. Scapula or shoulder blade. It is a flat and irregular triangular bones which is one each behind both the shoulder. It has a longer raised part. Spinal or vertebral column. It is situated in middle of the back. It's full from neck to waist. It may 33 bones, children irregular shape, and each is called vertebra. Thank you बच्चों. Yeah, first Spinal and vertebral column. I will tell you about a vertebral column. First 7 are called the neck vertebra. Second 12 make the back portion of the chest. They are called back vertebra. Third 5 the called waist vertebra. They make the portion of waist. Last 9 vertebra become two placed in time 9 described above. The first 5 of which called as sacrum and the last 4 are called coccyx. I will tell you in next class about the shapes of vertebra. क्या shape है इसका और thank you.